Okay, 96.3, the exercises. Let's start with number one. They give me some things. I want to point out the three things they've given me: the log base 10 of 2, the log base 10 of 3, and the log base 10 of 7. They want to find the approximate of log of 87.5. So my first goal here is to get 87.5 involving those numbers. So the first thing I do is I'd write down 875 over 10. And 875 is actually 5 times 175 over 10. I'm going to keep rewriting it. And it's going to be 5 times, 25 times 7. So 5 squared times 7 over 10. Unfortunately, I don't know the log of 5. So what I need to do is multiply top and bottom by 2 cubed. All right, now it seems like a lot of work. But what would I get over here? Let's see. Well, on top you get 10 cubed times 7. And at the bottom you get 10 times 2 to the third power. Well, I'm going to continue to reduce that. That's going to be 10 squared times 7 over 2 cubed. Well, here's the deal. Certainly, I know my work might look a little different over here, but I want to write down the way I would do the problem now. I'm going to write it over here. So I'm going to say log of 87.5 is really the same thing as taking the log of 10 squared times 7 over 2 cubed. And I believe it's going to be easy to write down. For example, coming from the prior section, we're a little better at this now. I'm going to get log, 2 times log base 10 of 10, which is going to be 2, plus log base 10 of 7, and then minus 3 log base 10 of 2. Do I know the log base 10 of 7? Yep. I'll write that down for you. Minus 3. Do I know the log base 10 of 2? Yep. So I'll write that down. Sorry about that. I made a mistake already. And I'm just not thinking. Times, let's write the number down. 0, 3010. We also realize I'm using the wrong symbol. This symbol over here should be approximately. You're expected to do the computation, and I'm hoping if you do the computation here, again, I'm doing the computation on this thing over here, and that computation, according to my arithmetic, I'm not going to go through that with you, though, is 1.9421. Now, I realize what some people are arguing, can you just do this on a calculator? You can, but what you're trying to appreciate here is how to manipulate a log. That's what we're trying to learn. All right, now historically this was very important. Somewhat important now when you start taking higher level courses, you're going to use logs to manipulate things. Okay, let me just tell you who I am. I'm Ron Bannon. Let me highlight that for you. And my email address, if you need to reach me, is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. By the way, I want to point out, I know my work might look different to you, but I want to point, I do get what I expected to get in the end. I'm getting this, and I'm getting this in the end, all right, which is 2 log of 10 plus log of 7 minus 3 log 2. Again, the work might look different, though. And that's typical, that work sometimes looks different because the road that people take might be different, but they get to the same end result, all right? Thank you.